Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Instagram notifications and want to turn off stories notifications for a specific person, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the updated process so you can enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience without missing out on what truly matters to you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to the search bar at the bottom and type in the username of the person whose stories notifications you want to turn off. Tap on their profile to open it. Now, look just below their bio. You'll see a button labeled Following. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open up a menu with several options related to how you interact with this account. At the top of this menu, you'll notice a bell icon, which represents notifications. Tap on this bell icon to access notification settings specifically for this person. Here you'll see various notification options, including posts, stories, reels, and more. To stop receiving notifications when this person adds a new story, simply find the toggle switch next to stories and turn it off. Once you do this, Instagram will no longer send you alerts when this account posts a new story. That's it. You've successfully turned off stories notifications for this account. You'll still see their stories in your feed if you scroll through, but you won't get those pop-up notifications anymore. This is a great way to customize your Instagram experience and reduce distractions, especially if you follow a lot of people or want to focus on updates from your closest friends. If you ever change your mind, just repeat these steps and toggle stories notifications back on. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Instagram tips and tricks.